Hi, everybody, and welcome back to Level English, your daily dose of English immersion.
I take.
I take.
What do you take?
I take the bus.
I take the bus.
I do not take a taxi.
I do not take a taxi.
When do you take?
I take the bus at 8 a.m.
I take the bus at 8 a.m.
I do not take the bus at night.
I do not take the bus at night.
I give.
I give.
What do you give?
I give gifts.
I give gifts.
I do not give money.
I do not give money.
Who do you give to?
I give gifts to friends.
I give gifts to friends.
I do not give gifts to strangers.
I do not give gifts to strangers.
I make.
I make.
What do you make?
I make breakfast.
I make breakfast.
I do not make dinner.
I do not make dinner.
When do you make?
I make breakfast at 7 a.m.
I make breakfast at 7 a.m.
I do not make breakfast at night.
I do not make breakfast at night.
I building.
I build.
What do you build?
I build houses.
I build houses.
I do not build cars.
I do not build cars.
Where do you build?
I build houses in the city.
I build houses in the city.
I do not build houses in the park.
I do not build houses in the park.
I break.
I break.
What do you break?
I break eggs.
I break eggs.
I do not break plates.
I do not break plates.
Where do you break?
I break eggs in the kitchen.
I break eggs in the kitchen.
I do not break eggs in the bedroom.
I do not break eggs in the bedroom.
I open.
I open.
What do you open?
I open doors.
I open doors.
I do not open windows.
I do not open windows.
When do you open?
I open doors in the morning.
I open doors in the morning.
I do not open doors at night.
I do not open doors at night.
I close.
I close.
What do you close?
I close windows.
I close windows.
I do not close books.
I do not close books.
When do you close?
I close windows at night.
I close windows at night.
I do not close windows in the day.
I do not close windows in the day.
I use.
I use.
What do you use?
I use a computer.
I use a computer.
I do not use a notebook.
I do not use a notebook.
Where do you use?
I use a computer at work.
I use a computer at work.
I do not use a computer at school.
I do not use a computer at school.
I help.
I help.
Who do you help?
I help my friends.
I help my friends.
I do not help strangers.
I do not help strangers.
Where do you help?
I help my friends at school.
I help my friends at school.
I do not help my friends at work.
I do not help my friends at work.
I teach.
I teach.
What do you teach?
I teach English.
I teach English.
I do not teach Chinese.
I do not teach Chinese.
Where do you teach?
I teach English at school.
I teach English at school.
I do not teach English at home.
I do not teach English at home.
Now it's your turn to practice. So let's put what you've learned into action right away. Try to write 3 phrases that you learned in the comments. Don't worry about perfection, the goal is to practice. Thanks for watching and see you soon.